This is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of fake human verification alerts. These are fake alerts that are related to the site arachidefit.com. arachidefit.com is a malicious website and it may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If you have done that, your browser would be hijacked with plenty of advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you have clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions until you click on notifications. Now you need to research all these websites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site. I also recommend investigating your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.